Good morning! So on the way kami ngayon ni Kira sa park. Magti-10 pa lang. Kasi na-bored na daw siya. Ito talaga yung struggle natin pag walang pasok. Nag-iisip kung anong gagawin everyday. Punta na lang muna kami sa park. Tapos mamaya, punta kami sa town. So nagdala ko ng kape, tsaka snacks ni Kira. Para makatipid, di ba? Ito yung mga tips natin pag punta kayo sa mga park. Magdala kayo ng snacks. Magdala kayo ng coffee. Para hindi na kayo bibili. Especially pag ganito, walang pasok ng 6 or 7 weeks. So kung pupunta kayo sa mga park, magdala kayo ng mga snacks. Kasi minsan sa mga park, diba, busy kasi nga walang pasok. So yung ibang mga cafe busy, so pipila ka. So yung anak mo nagutom na. So magta-tantrums or something like that. So it's better na meron kang dala-dalang snacks. Kahit apple or grapes mo, kahit prutas, ganun. So nagkat ako ng apple, grapes, dala ako ng crisp. Tapos mamaya mag-lunch na lang kami pag uwi na kami. Maganda yung panahon pero medyo windy. Kaya nag-body warmer lang ako. Oop. Diyan lang yan. Ito yung kape. Para hindi na tayo bibili. Prutas ni Kira. And brioche for me and for Kira.
And crisp.
Pang partner sa kape. You wanna sit down here, bro? I know it's not busy at the moment, but maybe later. What time is it? 9:53 pa lang. Maybe we can see Ate Laila coming from this way.
Why would she come?
Because she's going to work soon. Open natin kasi mainit to.
Mommy, what can I get?
Maybe you do that one, the zipwire?
Gonna go full speed.
Okay.
Should I? We're gonna go full one speed. Trust me. Go full speed. My pants.
What happened? Masakit yung dito ko ba? Siguro kagabi yung position ko ba? Bad yung angle. Masakit dito. Ah, okay. Sakit talaga siya.
Guys, the seat is still wet. Let's go.
Coffee! Ito na lang talaga yung kaligayahan natin, no? Pakapi-kapi. Opo-opo. Oh, nakita ni Kira yung kaklase niya. Si Bluebell. That's good. Oh, that's really good. May kalaro na si Kira. Di ba yung iba dito sa ibang bansa pag nag-work yung mga magulang nila, pinapabantayan nila. So yan din yung nagbantay sa kanya 3 years ago dito. Nung pumunta din kami dito ni Kira. So anyway, di ba may lesson ako kahapon? Ikwento ko sa inyo yung lesson ko kahapon. It was really good. Sabi ng instructor ko, maganda daw talaga yung control ko sa sasakyan. Pero sabi ko, like I can drive. Pero yun nga, pag araw na talaga ng test ba, nababago talaga siya. I think dahil na yun sa marami ka nang iniisip, anxiety, or mga hesitation, judgment, iba-iba na. So, hindi mo talaga makontrol yung emotions mo that day. So, yeah, so hopefully no next time talaga I can do it. I can do it. Kakayanin natin to this time. Kasi 'di ba, it's getting really expensive. The more lesson, the more na mahal. So, yeah. So, anyway, nandito sila Kira sa harap ko. Pero hindi ko siya i-vlog kasi kasama niya yung ano niya ba, yung kaklase niya. Sila Kira. Kakauwi lang namin. So ngayon magluto na ako ng lunch. So ito'y harina. Lagyan ko ng crispy fry na garlic. Wala na kasi silang original na ubusan na daw. Pumunta ako kahapon after kong driving. Nagpa-stop ako doon instead na umuwi ako. Kasi kailangan kong bumili ng mga tumas, suka. Bumili ako ng sukang pinakurat din. So ngayon, magprito ako ng manok. Ito. Pang lunch ni Kira. Ito na din yung lunch ko. Tapos may tira kaming rice kagabi. Yan na lang yung lunch namin. Kaysa mag-isip pa ako kung ano yung lutuin ko. Ito yung rice namin kagabi. Oh. Hatiin na lang namin yan ni Kira. Ganyan lang. Siguro 3. Ubusin ko na to. Kasi magla-lunch na. Busy na yung coffee doon kanina. Kasi pag mga ganitong oras, marami ng tao yung park. Si Kira nasa sala nanood. Okay. After lunch, dito lang kami kasi parang uulan. Pero kung hindi, punta kami sa town. Kasi kailangan kong pumunta sa Morrison. That's it. Bukas, walang work. Pag walang pasok, di ba? Mahirap mag-isip kung ano yung mga activities na gagawin. Lagyan ko siya ng cucumber. Yan lang yung kanyang lunch. Dandan! Tapos ngayon, ang mama na naman. Gutom na din ako eh. Kasi nga, nagkape lang ako tapos nag-toast, yun lang. Tapos yung kinain ko kanina doon, yung brioche, yun lang. Yun lang talaga yung kinain ko from this morning. Tapos na! I'm talking to myself, Bob. Spray. 12:10 na ng hapon. Maaga pa. So, mag-chill na ako. Mag-edit ng video. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye! So, it's snack time. Kira is doing a yogurt bowl with some apple and
Grapes.
you want some grapes?
Yeah. Green and red, please.
Okay. You already watched this last
Well,
night.
I'm going to keep it there and I can do it.
Supposed to use 1 pump of this. Oops. And what's in that jar? A skincare smoothie. I saw it on
Careful,
YouTube.
okay?
1 pump of everything you want. That's wasteful.
You want me to do
Noelle.
it?
I do it every time I do it.
Don't cry. I thought that's what sisters
Now I'm going to cut
do.
them
And
into
these
little
were
dots.
I don't think you can
I can do
return
the rest.
Christmas wishes.
Okay,
I'll just
careful.
have to wait till next Christmas when I can wish for her to disappear. Yeah, that definitely sounds against Santa's rules. Remember?
Hi, nagutom na lang. I'm hungry, Bob.
English.
Do you think I'm gonna make another coffee?
Yeah.
This is my third time.
No.
I think I'm gonna have coffee and toast.
I don't need to have energy. Wait, decaf.
Silent treatment? Yes.
Caffeine.
Because
Normal
I thought we were
coffee.
gonna be
No,
cool
caffeine.
sisters who
Yeah.
got the
No, I
gigs
don't
and
need
things
to have
together.
energy.
But instead,
Why?
all you have
Because I
to
don't want
do
to.
is suck up to my mom and steal my
Actually, yes, have caffeine. I want to play. I want to play with you.
You're gonna have a shower before Daddy comes home, okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a coffee. Why not? Let's have another coffee and biscuit.
Mommy.
Why?
Okay, you get biscuit and I'll just get fruit. So I'm gonna put my vanilla yogurt in. Sometimes I do strawberry because we had these at school, and ever since I fell in love with them.
Cassie, have you been studying?
Of course, Santa.
Because this test is extremely important.
If I don't get it right, then I have to do summer school at the North Pole again. You know, I actually like summer school. I look forward to it.
And Jessica Kaylee is so
Summer
good.
school was the punishment
I love her
for
POVs.
years. This is your final test. If you fail to finish the lyric challenge again this year, I will suspend you forever. Yes, part of Santa's job is to have a family that will pass on the Christmas traditions. This is your final test to prove I did it.
You don't think you should have mentioned that?
You're done with this one, Bob.
No.
Cassie, they tell you everything in summer school.
Right.
So ngayon magpa 5:45 na. So magluto na naman tayo ng dinner, no? So si Dave, mamaya pa yun, mga 6:30, 6:45. So nagutom na kaming dalawa ni Kira. So magluto na lang ako ng para sa amin ni Kira. Tapos mamaya, initin ko na lang yung kay Dave. Tapos mag-salad siya. So ito yung dinner namin. Gusto ko sanang mag-isda. Pero nag-isda kasi ako kagabi. Maglasanya na lang kami. Tapos mag-salad. Para mamaya initin ko na lang to kay Dave. Yan, mga half an hour. Tapos mag-air fry din ako ng chips. Tapos salad sa side. Yun lang. Don't forget to wash your hands, Kira. Si Kira nandun na. Kumain na. Hindi namin ito mauubos. Sabi ko kayo, magdala siya bukas sa work. Pag ganito yung dinner namin, maraming sobra. Kaya sabi ko kayo, magdala siya bukas sa work. Kasi may microwave naman sila. Okay. That's enough for me. Ulam, buha na lang. Tapos chips. Ito yung pagkain pag nasa pub ka. Parang ganito. Bob, if you want some more chips, I got more.
Oh, I thought you were going to see me. Can I have a crunchy one?
Yeah,
A really crunchy one.
it's okay. I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Daddy's on the way.
I'll get my plate.
Okay.
Crunchy, please. Can I steal a really crunchy one I see right now? Yes,
I
it
can
was
give
that
you
one.
some.
Thank you.
Just sit there and I will give you some. Okay. Kain na na. Kain muna kami guys and I'll talk to you later. Bye!